Hopefully it'll look like this one day. Anyway, so I've got rusty old VMAX mirrors on the bike, which are non-original. I replaced them probably in 1997. So 17mm spanner, off we go, undo them, take them off and replace them with something more in keeping with the style. As you can see, they haven't weathered very well. The bike has been parked up since 2007. Undercover. Bit of oil. Could do with a thicker oil, but that's just WD-40, that's what I had. So these are the new mirrors I've ordered. They were from M&P and they were $18.99 for the pair. I think before I bought the bike, it only had one mirror on it, and as you accelerated it did wobble. So hence changing them for the VMAX, which was the only thing available at the time. Hopefully trying to go back to more of an original look to the bike. And there we go, a bit of chrome, one little bit less of rust. A lot more to go though. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll be able to see more of this restoration progress. Okay, thanks, bye.